Take a ride in the 2020 NV. You're a lot more than what it says on your calling card, and you need your vehicle to be more than a van. You demand innovation and versatility. You need it to be your mobile office, your workshop, and your billboard on wheels. The Nissan NV is for you. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, fourth passenger door, front disc rear drum brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.